Some of the most interesting items in Oriental rug business are bags and trappings because they were almost entirely woven for their own use. What we'll be looking at today is this rather beautiful Kurdish salt bag. Basically, salt was put in there, they would put it over their shoulder, and wherever they needed it, just put their hand in there and use the salt. We'll have a look at it close up now so I can explain some items to you. These pieces in good condition is always a bonus because they were in daily use, they were used and abused, they were taken out all the time. So it is difficult to find them in good condition. This piece has, if you look at pompons all around it, that would suggest that it was woven by a bride to be as part of her dowry. Now, if you look at it closely, there are further points that would suggest this is so, because they wouldn't really, in a piece like this, spend so much time on finer things like the straps and the bindings around it. These are done all beautifully by somebody who was taking a lot of pride in weaving this piece. There is a little bit of wear at the edge, which is something that is expected. And if you look at the back, there is one or two small old repairs, but nothing of too significance. Otherwise, really good colors, beautiful piece.